In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in on Microsoft Forms. Getting into the specifics of Microsoft Forms can sometimes be a challenge, especially when you're trying to navigate the intricacies of a specific form or squinting at your screen because the text seems just a tad too small. Not to worry though, because today I'm here to guide you through the simple process of zooming in on Microsoft Forms, ensuring that you can view everything clearly without the need for a magnifying glass. Let's start from the very beginning. First, you'll need to navigate to Microsoft Forms. This can be easily done through any web browser of your choice. Once you've arrived at the Microsoft Forms website, the next logical step is to access your account. This would involve clicking on the Sign In button prominently displayed on the web page. Now, if you're not already signed in, Microsoft will prompt you to enter your email address. It's important at this stage to enter the email associated with your Microsoft account to ensure a smooth login process. After you've input your email, press the Next button to proceed. The following screen will request your password. This is just another layer of security to make sure that it's really you trying to access your account. Enter your password carefully and once again click on Next. Upon successfully signing in, you will find yourself at the Microsoft Forms dashboard. This is where all your forms are stored and managed. Take a moment to locate the specific form you need to work on or view. You can select it by simply clicking on it. Now here we are at the crux of our journey today, zooming in on your selected Microsoft form. If you're using a Mac, you can easily zoom in by pressing and holding the Command Source key while scrolling up on your mouse or trackpad. Alternatively, you can press the Command Port key in combination with the ++ key to zoom in. This action increases the size of the content on your screen, making it easier to read and edit details on your form. It's worth noting that this method isn't exclusive to Microsoft Forms. In fact, the Command and Scroll gesture or the Command and + key shortcut can be used across various applications and websites to zoom in, enhancing visibility. So it's a handy trick to remember not just for your immediate task, but for your broader computer use. To revert the changes or reduce the zoom, you can simply use the Command or Claw key in combination with the - key. This will gradually decrease the zoom level until you're back to the standard view. It's a quick and efficient way to toggle the zoom level to match your preference at any given time, and there you have it. With these easy steps, you can adjust the zoom level on Microsoft Forms or virtually any page you're working on. This not only makes it easier for you to read and edit, but also ensures that you can work more efficiently without straining your eyes. Remember, maintaining good screen visibility is key to having a comfortable and productive experience, whether you're designing a new form, filling out details, or reviewing responses. I hope you found this guide helpful. Now you can go ahead and experiment with zooming in and out on your Microsoft Forms. Happy form making, and remember, clarity is just a few keystrokes away.